Child, it's day one in the Jose Soto-Escolera trial, and this is what I've learned. Criminals are so smart they dumb. This is a story as old as time. Two people having an affair, they're having a good old time until somebody get pregnant. Now you get a conscience. The defendant in this case is charged with first-degree M in the death of Tanya and her unborn child in this case, and he is facing the death penalty. Tanya's body was found in a drainage ditch on the roadside August 24th, 2018. At the time of her unaliving, she was 8.5 months pregnant. She had skull fractures and a 19-centimeter cut along the jugular vein. We have opening statements from both the state and the defense, and the prosecution calls Christine Gavin. She is a witness that saw the body on the side of the road and called 911. Then we get Joseph Gilkey. He was the responding officer to the scene. And we also get William Mullen. He is a pizza parlor owner who also witnessed a truck on the side of the road on the evening of August the 23rd. This truck matches the description of Jose Escolara's truck. We then get Elizabeth Bertola on the stand. This is the mother of Tanya. She was with her on the evening in question. She said that Tanya went to the store to get juices for her son's lunch the next day, and she never returned home. On cross, they asked her mother about several other men that she had been dating over the same course of time. But your client's DNA is the DNA that matches the baby. But she did lay foundation that there was at least 2 other men that Tanya was dating that had threatened her and or were violent with her. Then we get Kenneth Barron on the stand. He is a former co-worker of Jose Escolar. He said that 2 to 4 weeks prior to Tanya's unaliving, Jose asked him for a firearm. He didn't get him one though. He also told us that where Tanya was found was along Jose's route for work. So he was familiar with that area. We then get the lead detective in this case on the stand, and he basically laid some foundation, and then we watched Jose's whole first interview, taped interview. Child, this man was in there just talking, acting cool, making jokes, acting like these people was his friend. He agreed to give him his DNA, and he let them download his phone. Chill. Then they asked him, they was like, did you ever have sex with her? He said, nah. He said, you swear? He said, I swear. He was up in there for at least an hour and a half just telling them all kinds of shit. But he constantly kept saying, this shit is crazy. His wife called. They let him call his wife. He kept saying, I don't know how to use this phone. Do you have Facebook? It's on there. I don't really know how to use it. You got Snapchat? Listen, they are downloading your phone as we speak. Come on, Jose. And with that, day one is concluded. And the prosecution makes an announcement. We may be done tomorrow. We may be ready to arrest tomorrow. This is about to be a quick one. Y'all stick with me for the next couple of days. I don't know. Make sure you're following me for more updates on this trial and others.